Welcome back to Watch It. In today's Watch It, we are looking at logic operators. Now, the table below is going to show us the most commonly used logic operators in Python. Now, the logic operators are used with operands that have a Boolean value of true or false. Now, what that means is that on either side of the and, or not, you have an equation or evaluation that evaluates to true or false. So if we look right here, we have A equals true and B equals false. So we have our true and we have false. So we come down here to the table and we look at how these are going to evaluate. So the AND operator returns true only if both operands are true, meaning that both sides have to be true. So A and A, this would evaluate to true. The OR operator returns true if only one of the operands evaluates to true. So here we have A or B. This would evaluate to true because the A is true. Not returns the inverse value of the given operand. So not A. This would evaluate to false because A is equal to true. The inverse of that would be false. So now we're going to look at our activity. We are going to go ahead and do all the possibilities with the and or not with our A and B value of true and false. So open your Python IDL. You're going to type these in exactly as you see them on the screen. When you go to run this, you'll click run the module. You're going to save it as logic, and then it's going to give you your evaluations. So let's look at that. We have A and A equal true. Since both A's are true, it evaluates to true. We have A and B. Now that's going to evaluate to false because B is false. And remember, when you're using the AND logic operator, both sides have to evaluate to true. B and B, since both of them are false, it's going to evaluate to false. Our logic operator with OR, remember, as long as one of them evaluates to true, then the answer will be true. So A or A, both are true, so it evaluates to true. A or B, one is true, so it evaluates to true. B or B evaluates to false because B and both B's are going to be false. In the not logic, A equal true, not A is going to be equal to false, B equal false, not B is going to be equal to true. So now you're going to answer the check for understanding. When you're done answering the check for understanding, move on to the next section so that you can look at more on conditionals.